Hi, this is Jeannie from Academic Writing Made Easy, and I wanted to share a mini lecture on how to write a successful dissertation. Now, I know dissertation writing can be overwhelming, so I wanted to share a few steps to help you get started and some additional services that you can use to help you along your dissertation journey. So let's get started. Step one, know your topic. This is so important. If you don't know your topic, then you don't know what to write, of course. So select a topic of interest, something related to your career, perhaps, or anything that's interesting to you. Make sure to research your topic, which is step two. That is so important. Take the time out to research, become knowledgeable, become aware of your topic, the ins and out of your topic. That is so important. And while you're doing that, you're also going to do step three, which is find any missing gaps in your topic. This is important because your dissertation will be centered around the missing gaps. So that is so important. And then step four, consider the problem related to your topic and study. This is crucial. This is equivalent to like your thesis statement in the paper. What is the problem? The problem you're trying to solve, pretty much. So that is step one. Know your topic, and there are four categories under that. So let's move on to step two, which is know your problem, which I just talked about. So in regards to know your problem, one, focus on the issue related to your topic. What is the issue? This is important. So think about perhaps you're a professional and your dissertation's related to a problem or like an issue at work. um, think about that. What is something that is reoccurring, something that happens all the time, and you really want to focus on that, and you really want to address that issue. So focus on an issue related to your topic. Focus on a specific problem that is consistent. That's important. So what just keeps on occurring in regards to your topic? And then focus on any missing gaps in the literature related to your problem. So this definitely relates to step one, but this is so specific. Now you're really focusing on the problem. So knowing the topic, that's important, but within the topic, there's a problem. So that's something you have to keep in mind. Step three, this is important. Using scholarly articles. We have library databases usually provided through our colleges and universities, and it's so important to take advantage of that. The rule of thumb usually is to use scholarly articles from the past 5 years. Um, Most students think about what is their graduation date and then subtract 5 years from that, and that can help them stay within that 5 year timeline. So keep that in consideration. Use peer-reviewed articles. Usually in a library database, you can actually click on the option for peer review. This is so important because these are people, professionals working within your field and actually doing research, working together, and contributing to your field of study through these articles. And then this is definitely a given, but sometimes a friendly reminder is helpful. Avoid non-scholarly articles, news articles, blogs. Usually um, you want to stick with the scholarly articles. That's so important. Step four, create alignments. This, my friends, very important. I know I said everything is important, but alignments. Without alignments, then you have a shaky dissertation. You have a shaky paper in general, even if you're not doing a dissertation. So Use your problem statement as your main focus throughout your dissertation. Always keep your problem statement in mind as you're writing your chapters. Make sure your chapters align with your problem statement. This is so important. If you don't have that alignment, then inconsistency is there. Then, things are not flowing, and then you're just all over the place. So, something that you will begin to realize when you are in alignment is that your writing will begin to repeat itself in messaging. You're probably going to say, like, wait, I feel like I've already talked about that, or I feel like I'm saying this, but in a different way. That's actually good. That's good in a dissertation. Um, it reflects and shows consistency in the topic. Um, yeah. And as you're going along with your chapters, you're just diving deeper and deeper and deeper in your topic through the required section. So that's actually important. That actually helps with the alignment. Okay. And that's how you know if you're on the right track. And then finally, this is really important, especially when you have to go through like a form and style aspect of the dissertation towards some time during your dissertation stages. Um, Having a professional review your writing, it creates an opportunity to allow a professional to provide line by line editing, proofreading, and instructional feedback. And some professionals do not provide all of that. But myself, I do. I love doing that. Um, I do a fantastic job of just looking at students' dissertations and providing, that editing aspect. But not only that, but instructional feedback too. Like, hey, I think, the wording here can be better expressed this way. And here's an example. Or maybe I see passive voice, like in a pattern of that. So I can share how to rewrite that to reflect active voice. Perhaps there's just, you have concerns about content, and does the content actually relate to your section's topic? I can share like how to do that. And then APA, a lot of students deal with APA in general and other forms of citations and references. But yeah, I can point out how to improve that, or like areas where you should do that, or perhaps, missing citations. Like, hey, this seems like a definition. Maybe we should cite that. Very important. Okay. So if you are interested in receiving proofreading, editing, services, chapter edits for your dissertation, or even if you don't have a dissertation and you have, your regular college papers and you need someone to look over it, feel free to visit www.academicwritingmadeeasy.com and receive proofreading and editing services from a professional, Jeannie. If you do have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I look forward to sharing more lectures like this in the future. Bye.